Hello, good morning students. I am Surekha Verma, your English teacher. Students, in previous video, I explained you about the sentences. Okay, how many sentences are there students? There are 4 types of sentences. Okay, first is declarative, it is called statement also. Then imperative, then interrogative and exclamatory sentence. I explained all the exercise about the sentences also. Now today in this chapter we discuss about questions, means interrogative. Okay, now the lesson is questions. Students, what is questions? Just I am giving here 2 examples. He is ill. This is statement. It is called statement. The first sentence is a statement. The second sentence, is he ill? This is interrogative sentence and the mark is question mark. Okay, question mark is here. Students, the first sentence states or tells something. जो पहला सेंटेंस है वो हमें कुछ बता रहा है. क्या बता रहा है? He is ill. वो कैसा है? बीमार है. But in the second sentence, ask something. इसमें वो कुछ पूछ रहा है. क्या पूछ रहा है? Is he ill? वो बीमार है क्या? ये पूछ रहा है. Both sentences are different. First is sentence, statement. Second is interrogative or question sentence. Okay. Now here I will explain you this. Compare the following sentences. Statement, here questions. How can we change statement into question form? Students, now first when we start the questions form, at the time first we can start the question form with some articles. We start the article just like am, is, are, were, do, does or did. Okay, we start the questions with these articles, with these main verbs. So what happens, students? But it is depend on the verb. Just like the examples here, I will explain you. I am late. Here, how can we change this statement into question form? First, start the question answer with am. Am I late? First, start question with auxiliary verb. Okay, just like I explained, I told na, am, is, are, were, do, does, did. It is depend on the verb form. Here, I am late. Am I late? Write down here question mark. Okay, question mark is there. Then the windows are open. Which is the auxiliary verb is here? Are. We start the answer with are. Are the windows open? See the answer. Are the windows open? Question mark. The boys were absent. Start with were. Were these boys absent? Question mark. Rama has a parrot. Here, there's some changes here. Okay. Here has. Rama has. Has is there. So we start the question form with does. Okay, does Rama have a parrot? Because already we start the answer with does, so we have to change has into have. Okay, does Rama have a parrot? Question mark. He has no money. Again here has. So how can we start here? Does he have no money? Has changed into have. Okay, so does he have no money? Next, you have a spare pencil. You have a spare pencil. So here write down, do you have a spare pencil? Okay. Next, he had nothing to say. Does, we start with does. Does he have nothing to say? Because say is a verb. So write down here say. Does he have nothing to say? Then choose the statements into questions. Now change these statements into questions. He was ill yesterday. How can we start here? Was. Was he ill yesterday? Start with WAS. Was he ill? Was he ill yesterday? Question mark. Then you are in a great hurry. How can we start? We start with are. Okay. Are you? A-R-E. Are you in a great hurry? Question mark. Don't forget the question mark because question mark is more important in questions, in interrogative sentences. It is time to go to school. So it is. Is here. Okay. Is here. Are is here. Okay. Was is here. So we start with auxiliary verbs. Is capital. Is it time to go to school? Question mark. Okay. Now next. There is no hope now. Here auxiliary verb is. Now read the sentence properly, underline the auxiliary verb and then start the answer. Is there no hope now? Question mark. Then the mangoes are ripe. The auxiliary verb is are. Okay. So start. Are the mangoes? Are the mangoes ripe? Question mark. Then the spider has 8 legs. Here has. But we have to write here. Have the spider 8 legs because it is in plural. 8 legs. So we have to start here. Legs. Okay. Legs is here. S is here. So we have to write here does. Okay. Does the spider have 8 legs? Question mark. He has prepared tea for us all. The same thing. Here prepared. verb is prepared, past tense. So we have to write here, did he prepare? Did he prepare tea for us all? Question mark. You have seen my new camera? Okay. You have seen my new camera? So, how can we start? Have you seen my new camera? Have you seen my new camera? Question mark. Have you seen my new camera? Understand this all, everyone? I hope you understood. Now next, statement and questions. How it will be changed. Okay. Now first, I shall be late. I told you we have to start the question form with am, is, are, were, do, does, did, and shall, will. Okay? Like this, we have to start the question form. Just can, if there is any, can. Okay? Now, see the questions. I shall be late. Then the answer is, start with shall. Shall I be late? Because we start with auxiliary verbs, main verbs. So here shall. So write down the answer with shall. Shall I be late? We shall see you there. Answer is, shall we see you there? Question mark. It will rain today. Will it rain today? Just make the answers from only here. Don't see the answers here. Okay, here the answers are there, but don't see the answers. Here, make the answers. Start to prepare the answers from here only, if you understand. It will not rain today. Will it not rain today? You can lend me your book. Can you lend me your book? Okay, next. We must not wait for him. Start with must, okay? Must we not wait for him? Understand this question form? Now, we will see the exercise number 2. It will be soon forgotten. How can we write? Will it be soon forgotten? Question mark. Okay. I shall have to take some exercise. Then the word is, the article is, which is the auxiliary verb here? Shall. Just underline first the auxiliary verbs. Can, will, can. Okay, must, will. Okay, now you can, it is very easy for you to solve the answers. I shall have to take some exercise. Shall I take? Shall I have to take some exercise? Okay, next. Shirin can make a pancake. Can Shirin? Question mark. Okay, can as capital. Can Shirin make a can के question mark. The baby can walk now. Can the baby walk now? Now next, they both must go. Here must. So we will start with must. Must they both go? Question mark. Okay. The school will be closed at the end of this month. How can we start? Will the school be closed at the end of this month? Start with will. Will the school be closed at the end of this month? Question mark. Okay. Students, understand these two exercise? I hope you understand these two exercise. Okay, now I will explain you in next video the another exercise. Okay, read it properly, write down the answers. Again and again, see the video, understand it properly. Okay, understand everyone? Okay, bye. Goodbye everyone. Stay home. Stay safe.